Okay, so here we go. Hello everybody, it's Tom here from Revenge Airsoft, and today we have a new unboxing of a new gun I got. So let's crack her open. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Seems kind of small for a sniper rifle, but yeah, so it's a sniper rifle. It is a clone of a Tokyo Marui VSR 10. So here's the scope with some BBs in there. Cool. So we open this up. Oh, cool. Well, the bag of BBs is, well, they really, god damn. Okay. Anything broken? No. Got a shit ton of BBs in here. Cool. With the, does it come with the speed loader and a Mac? Sweet. Why would you put them? Okay. Whoa, this is actually a metal suppressor. That's actually really cool. Oh, and it's got sling mounts. Ooh, and rails. Sweet. Let's clean some of that foam off. Okay, we're gonna put it together. If I know how to do this, should just go in like that. Okay, oh, we got pins here. One of these looks important. I'm gonna just put that over there. So cool, it's an actual Allen key, thank you. They did just throw in some BBs in there. Sweet. Now, see, oh, so that's so I can put the screws in. Okay, I know. Okay, I know one of these goes in. I know which way. Oh, that's cool, they included a speed loader with it. That one doesn't go there. That one? Where does this one go? Yeah, so that's cool, they included a speed loader. Cool. Where does this one with the spring go in? I feel like this one, that one goes... Does that one go down here? I think so. God, this is... God damn it. Trying to put this stupid thing together. I'm going to keep hanging on to that spring just in case. Oh, a lot of the shit is broken. Let's hope they really, good job E-Bike for packaging this. Oh cool, it comes with a sling. Okay, that. Where did my Allen key go? There it is. So I know. There we go. Cool. A little bigger then. Cool. Are those BBs in the stock? That sounds incredibly weak. Huh. Okay, that's gonna get really is that safety? Yep. Cool. Let's see how the mag fits. Oh, perfect. Cool. Holy crap, now I have a... That's if I get any jams. I'm jamming around. Cool. I'm going to hang on to this box. I will not try the test BBs, but yeah, another speed loader on top of that. Sweet. Now I'm going to look at this scope here. I thought that was kind of ridiculous when they had all the... God, this thing is cool. Okay, we're going to go over here, open up the scope. Let's make sure nothing's broken. Oh yeah. That looks nice.